Lake Como, located in northern Italy, is a popular destination for travelers looking for a blend of natural beauty and luxury. The lake, shaped like an inverted Y, is surrounded by picturesque towns and villages that are perfect for exploring. One of the most popular towns on the lake is Bellagio, often referred to as the Pearl of the Lake. Its charming streets are lined with designer boutiques, art galleries, and traditional trattorias. Visitors can take a boat tour to explore the town's villas and gardens, including the famous Villa Melzi, which is open to the public. Another popular town on the lake is Verona, known for its colorful houses and stunning views of the lake. Visitors can take a short ferry ride to the charming village of Menaggio or hike the nearby Greenway del Lago, a scenic trail that offers panoramic views of the lake. For those looking for a more secluded experience, the town of Tremezzo offers a quieter atmosphere and is home to the famous Villa Carlotta. The villa's gardens feature a wide variety of botanical specimens and sculptures, making it a popular spot for photography. While on the lake, visitors can also take a boat tour to visit some of the famous villas and gardens located on the lake's shores. Villa del Balbianello, located on the tip of a small peninsula, is a popular spot for James Bond fans as it was featured in the film Casino Royale. The lake is also a popular spot for water sports such as swimming, sailing, and windsurfing. Visitors can rent boats or take a guided tour to explore the lake's many hidden coves and bays. For those looking to add a bit of culture to their trip, the town of Como is home to several historic churches, including the Gothic-style Cathedral of Como, as well as a number of museums and art galleries. In addition to its natural and cultural attractions, Lake Como is also known for its luxury accommodations. Visitors can stay in one of the many villas or hotels located on the lake's shores, some of which offer private boat docking and access to the lake. For those looking to experience the lake's natural beauty and luxury, Lake Como is a destination not to be missed. Whether you're looking to explore charming towns, take in stunning views, or simply relax in luxury, there's something for everyone on this picturesque lake in northern Italy. So pack your bags, book your tickets and get ready to experience the beauty, luxury and culture of one of the most beautiful lakes in the world, Lake Como. You'll be able to have a perfect vacation, surrounded by picturesque towns, stunning views, and the best of Italian culture. A trip to Lake Como is definitely an experience you'll never forget.